Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best laundry faucets is probably one of the most underappreciated fixtures in your home, but trust me, a good one can make laundry day a whole lot easier. From filling buckets to pre-treating stains, the right laundry faucet can handle it all. But with so many options out there, how do you choose the perfect one for your utility sink? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Number 5. Central Brass 0465 Heavy Duty Laundry Faucet. Introducing the Central Brass Laundry Faucet, perfect for commercial use. This wall-mounted faucet is built to last with a durable rough brass finish. This faucet is designed for toughness. It can handle accidental bumps and heavy use. It's a reliable choice for any demanding environment. The two lever handles make it easy to find the perfect water temperature. You can quickly adjust the water flow with a simple turn. The spout has a generous 6-inch reach and swivels for optimal cleaning. It provides the best angle to make your tasks easier. This faucet includes replaceable seats, straddle legs, and quick-pressure quarter-turn stems. These features are designed for your convenience and ease of use. What we like? This faucet's rough brass finish and heavy-duty construction make it exceptionally durable. It's built to withstand the rigors of commercial use. If you are looking for a faucet that can handle heavy use and last for years, you should consider this one. What people say? Exceptionally well built and easy to install. Water flow is unhindered and the faucet movements are smooth. Well-made, heavy-duty laundry sink faucet that will be mounted on a post to be used outside in the summertime to bathe the dog with hot and cold running water. Solid brass with attractive appearance. Number 4. Homewerks 3310-250 RB Rough Brass Laundry Faucet. This Homewerks faucet features 2 chrome handles and drip-free cartridges. Its 7-inch brass swivel spout makes it easy to reach all sides of your wash tub. It's designed to make your life easier. The included aerator is easily removable. This allows you to attach the included garden hose adapter. It's perfect for watering plants, bathing pets, and washing your patio. The faucet has universal mounting holes with a 3.37-inch center distance. It has a maximum flow rate of 2.2 gallons per minute at 60 psi. Easy step-by-step instructions are included for DIY installation. The brass housing is extremely durable for your laundry room. The finish adds a touch of warmth. Whether used as a regular sink faucet or to connect your garden hose, it's built to last. You can be confident in the quality and construction of this product. It's produced and certified to industry standards. It also comes with a 5-year limited warranty and is IAPMO certified. What we like? This faucet includes a garden hose adapter, perfect for watering plants or washing pets. The easy DIY installation makes it a breeze to set up. If you have a garden or need a convenient way to connect a hose, you should consider this one. What people say? The handles are so smooth to operate. The Homewerks faucet uses quarter-turn valves, which should last a very long time unless misuse erodes the mechanism. The hot and cold taps turn on and off smoothly and the faucet looks great. It is very sturdy and highly versatile with a hose hookup option and a 180-degree swivel. Perfect for utility purposes. Number 3. Moen Chateau Chrome Laundry Faucet. This faucet features 2 knobs, making it simple to adjust the water temperature. You can easily find the perfect setting for your needs with this convenient design. The chrome finish offers a highly reflective, mirror-like appearance. It's designed to complement any decorating style, adding a touch of elegance to your space. This center-set laundry faucet is designed for easy installation. It fits standard 3-hole setups, making it a versatile choice for your laundry or utility sink. The faucet is designed to meet the specifications of the Americans with Disabilities Act, ADA. This ensures accessibility and ease of use for everyone. This product is backed by Moen's limited lifetime warranty. This provides peace of mind, knowing that the manufacturer stands behind the quality and durability of the faucet. What we like? This faucet features 2 knobs for easy water temperature adjustment. Its chrome finish complements any decor style. If you like a faucet that is easy to use and fits with any decorating style, you should consider this one. What people say? It has a hard stop for the on and off so there isn't any over-tightening. The arched faucet works well and directs the water flow towards the center of the laundry sink. The faucet handles are firm and show no signs of leaking, even after a year of daily use. Number 2. Commercial brass wall mount kitchen faucet. This faucet is made of solid brass with a chrome finish, ensuring durability and a sleek look. The high-quality cartridge provides smooth water flow and minimizes leaks. You can attach a garden hose to the spout for various washing tasks. The pre-rinse sprayer offers strong water pressure for efficient cleaning. Please note that the adapter and garden hoses are not included. The spout rotates 360 degrees, providing full access to your sink. It includes a bubbler for soft, splash-free water flow. Dual levers allow for precise temperature control, with hot and cold water options. This feature makes it a valuable addition to any kitchen. Its simple and elegant design suits various settings, including kitchen sinks, restaurants, and gardens. It's versatile enough for both indoor and outdoor use. Designed for 2-hole, wall-mounted setups, it includes all necessary hardware. The adjustable center distance makes installation straightforward, following the manual. What we like. This faucet's 360-degree swivel spout allows water to reach every corner of your sink. The dual handles provide precise temperature control. If you are looking for a faucet with maximum reach and control, you should consider this one. What people say. Easy to install. My plumber had no trouble installing the faucet. Looks and works great, easy install. Works great. So far so good. Number 1. Chrome single-hole cold water faucet. This single-handle kitchen faucet is made of solid brass with chrome plating. It has good corrosion resistance, ensuring quality and longevity. The superior cartridge provides smooth water flow and reduces the chance of leaks. The faucet is designed for single-hole installation, making it easy to set up. This design also gives a clean look, perfect for areas with not much space. The spout can rotate a full 360 degrees, so the water can reach every part of the sink. It's great for sinks with different sections. The spout also has a bubbler, making the water flow soft and splash-free. This cold water faucet has a shiny chrome finish that looks great. It also helps protect it from scratches and damage from everyday use. This bar faucet has a simple, elegant chrome look. You can easily install it yourself in about 30 minutes, without needing a plumber. It's great for bars, kitchens, bathrooms, restaurants, laundry rooms, and backyards. What we like. This faucet single-hole design streamlines the installation process, adding a clean aesthetic. The 360-degree swivel spout offers maximum reach. If you like a modern, easy-to-install faucet with a sleek look, you should consider this one. What people say. The neck is tight and rotates smoothly without any slack or wobble. The valve operates smoothly, as well with secure movement and firm on-off function. The finish is smooth and attractive and easy to clean. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.